Enjoy incredibly fresh laundry with this eco-friendly heat pump tumble dryer from Bosch thanks to its clever technology and amazing performance. It also has an A++ energy rating and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better drying results. Thanks to fantastic Home Connect technology, you can control your Bosch tumble dryer using your phone. Simply download the app for free onto your smart device. You can then turn your machine on and off, choose your drying cycle, and even monitor your laundry's progress. So, you can take the load off your mind no matter where you are. Bosch's sensitive drying system helps to give your laundry the best possible care. Softly curved paddles carefully rotate your clothes, while gentle warm currents of air prevent your laundry from sticking to the side of the drum. Now your favourite shirt will always be in perfect condition for that big night out. If you want a heat pump tumble dryer that can give you incredibly fresh laundry, this eco-friendly model from Bosch is the perfect choice.